Well, hello there. Happy Friday. We made it to Friday. I hope you had a great day yesterday and are ready for another fun day of learning. So here we go for our last lesson for Make a 10 to add. Here we go. So make a 10 to add, another strategy we can use for adding. Let's start here. I noticed, similar to yesterday, that the first number increases by 1. And this time, the second number stays the same. Because it increases by 1, this one's going to be fairly easy for us because we just count on by 1 more. So 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9. And I notice that these are also, our answers are also increasing by 1. So I bet 9 plus 1 is going to equal 10 because we could add 9 and we add 1 more to this 9 above to get 10. Now here, our answers here, or not our answers, but the addend increases by 1, and the second addend stays the same. So let's put 5 in our calculator and count on by 2. 5, 6, 7. 6, 7, 8. Notice that these ones are increasing by 1. So 7, 8, 9. And I bet 8 plus 2 will be 10 because 9 and 1 more makes 10. So we can recognize patterns when we're adding as well, and those can help us. Oh, I see a 10 frame. So in blue, I will highlight, or I will draw 7 blue circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I will draw 6 green circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now it's time to map it out. I filled one 10 frame, so this shows 10. So I'm going to write my equation below. I have 3 leftover green dots. So this equation, 7 plus 6, is very similar to adding 10 and 3. 10 plus 3, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 10 and 3 equals 13, which means 7 plus 6 also equals 13. Now I see a number bond. So I see a 9 and a 4. So I'm going to write those in the top boxes. We have a 9 and a 4. My next job is to make a 10. So there's only one way to make a 10 using the number 9, and that means this needs to be a 1. So what plus a 1 will equal 4? Well, if I count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3 make 4. So here I am adding 10 plus 3 equals, well, from the last problem, we know 10 and 3 equals 13. We could also put 10 in our calculators and count on. Or we could draw a picture or tallies. So that means that 9 and 4 equals 13. The total is 13. Let's move on. All right, we need to circle what is a similar equation that will give us the correct answer. So we have 8. Let's draw a number bond. We have 8 plus 6 will go in this one. And how will we make a 10? we need 8, 9, 10, 2. So we have our 10 here. So 10 plus, now we need to figure out what equals 6. 2 plus what equals 6? Let's figure out the missing addend. If I count on, I could put 2 in my brain, so 2, and then count on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 4 fingers up. So that means 2 and 4 make 6. And we'll bring the 4 down. So this is what we need. So that means our answer is 10 plus 4 is the same as 8 plus 6. They will both get the same total. Here's another problem. Here we need to solve it all the way. This one might be easier with counters. Let's try it. So I don't have a 10 frame, so I'm going to draw my first row with 5, then my second row with 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I need 4 more green. So we have 1, 2, and then down here 3 and 4. So in this picture, I see that we have 10 and 2. And that means we need to add the 10 and 2. So 10, 11, 12. 10 plus 2 equals 12. So there's our answer. Here's our last problem today. Show how you can make a 10 to find 8 plus 6. I kind of liked the idea of drawing a picture, so I'm going to do that. So I want a blue highlighter to show my 8. So again, 5 on the top, 5 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8. Now I'm going to get my green and draw the rest. So 1, 2, I have 10 up top. 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, now let's solve. So we made 1 10, which is what we needed to do. So we have 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4 left over. So we need to add 10 plus 4. I know when I add 0 and 4 make 4. And then I'm going to drag the 1 down. So 10 plus 4 equals 14, which also means that 8 plus 6 equals 14. And that is the end of our slideshow for today. So now it's your turn to show me what you've learned this week. We've practiced many ways to show making a 10, whether it is using a 10 frame and drawing in the counters, or if you have counters at home, you can use your own counters. Ms. Hewes can't show actual counters on a computer, so I've been drawing them in. So that is an option too if you don't have counters. Or you saw the method with all the squares and the 1 number bond. So we made a 10 that way as well. Now it's your turn to show me what you've learned. So you have a quiz, and I don't want you to feel nervous while you're taking this quiz. All I want you to do is to try your best. And I know you're going to do your best. If you need any help, try the problem on your own first. You can always have a parent help you read the problem, but try solving the problem on your own first. And then if you absolutely need help, you can ask a parent. I'm just going to ask that the parent writes a little note on the side saying that they helped. Just so Miss Hewes knows, because I need to keep track so I can plan for our future for learning. All right. Have a great day, and I wish you good luck with their quiz. I know you're going to do great. And have a great weekend. I miss you very much. Bye-bye.